Hi guys, welcome to the new video. So today we are on a trail from our university and we are exploring the East Thornland Park. And the trail is I think 1 hour long, maybe, I'm not sure. And the weather is also good. It's snowing, but you still can survive. And the trail is in Toronto only. And I'll just like show you the views from the start of the trail. So as you can see, we have this frozen river and then it flows through this way and it's all white, and I have my friend here is with me. Hi Darsh.
It's looking like we are in Kashmir.
Yeah, so let's see how it goes. I'll show you what comes by our way. In the winters the trail is closed, so this is how we are illegally entering the park.
Do you need me to hold your bag?
What's the branch? What's the branch? What's your eyes in the branch? You're recording the adventure.
Yeah.
Go. We can go.
Are you good, Ryan?
Yeah.
So this is how we crossed. And now we are heading towards another adventure. So we are heading towards the main spot of the trail. It's all white, though it's beautiful. So
It's just looking like wow.
देखिए
Look at the weather. Look at the snow.
क्या क्या ठंड नहीं लग रही ब्रो?
No.
कैप वैप पहन ले.
No. Men are brave.
हाँ, men are brave.
Said
Yeah,
by
true.
Batman.
Yeah.
If you follow Batman.
Now the real hike started. So we are climbing upwards. I think this is a bit tricky because it can be slippery because of the snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, but still
To protect, we have weird.
we are pro. I think so.
Okay.
So I think we can do it.
We have weird.
This is our forte. We are pretty much athletic people.
Yeah.
Look at these people. Just walking like dead people. The dead zombies. Let's go. चल रहा है हमारा यहाँ. The cold is increasing, but still we are getting on the rain. देखिए. And we are walking towards there.
It's above our expectation.
Yeah. To be honest, when I woke up in the morning, I was like really tired, so I thought of not coming to the trail. I thought of like touching the area, but
We
still,
both have 50%
yeah.
chances, and here
still
we
we
are.
managed somehow to be here at time. And we have our friends walking so fast. We are the last. There is no one besides us, so yeah.
We are the backbenchers of our group.
Yeah, and I think as per the forecast, the snow is gonna be not stopping until 6 p.m. in the evening, so it's gonna be crazy. I think you guys will also enjoy it.
But the weather is pretty chill.
Yeah,
Not much.
and I know that
not much snow.
we are making fuss about the weather, but like it's our first winter, so it's a big deal for us. So I hope you guys also enjoy
Yeah,
as we are doing.
look at the weather.
Yeah. Most probably you guys will be chilling at your home, sipping coffee and seeing this. But
With
still,
snacks.
yeah, but still someone is trying to make your day beautiful. So I hope your day becomes beautiful. And I think still we have much more kilometers to go. And then we have to come back. So it's like the whole day. So I hope. And tomorrow I have my work, by the way. And it's my morning work, so I have to leave my place at 6 a.m. in the morning. So pretty difficult for me, but still, we'll do everything. You are seeing this, like the kind of things for the first time. Many people have gone on treks or hikes, but this is a bit different as what we have done in India, and it's a bit tricky too. So yeah, that's the thing. And now I think we have to go that way. Look at this. We have ways all around, so we don't know where to go now. But still we are.
Take right.
Yeah, so. Oh yeah, we have to take right. So okay. We are going there. Oh. It's getting tricky. Whew. Yeah, now we are on our way. See. Still we are halfway. And what we have seen in the middle of the trail is a decorated Christmas tree. So as you can see, it's looking fabulous. Someone has like really decorated the tree really good. And yeah, so that's the thing what we saw in the middle. And now we have to run our way because our friends are way ahead of us. So we are running. Good cardio, guys. We are finally. Very difficult to run in snow. Still we are doing it because we are athletic boys.
Athletic boys.
Yes. And we are fit too. And young too. So we can do this. Hi. हमारे जो और दोस्त है उनका क्लास है, मतलब तो वो मतलब दूसरे कोर्सेज में है, तो उनके क्लास होते हैं ट्यूसडे को, तो वो लोग क्लास में गए हैं और ये हमारे साथ एक बनता है, ये देखिए इनको
गौर से देखिए।
इनका भी क्लास था पर इन्होंने प्रोफेसर को बोला है कि मेरी आज डॉक्टर के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट है और डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट आप देख रहे हो कितनी मस्त है। देखो ये है डॉक्टर की अपॉइंटमेंट।
डॉक्टर डोराड़ा नाम है उसका।
हाँ।
और डॉक्टर डोराड़ा रहते हैं जंगल में।
हाँ समझ गया।
आयुर्वेदिक दवाइयाँ देते हैं भाई।
हाँ समझा मैं।
इसीलिए मुझे इधर बस आती नहीं।
और आज इसका ग्रुप प्रेजेंटेशन था, तो ये इधर है, इसका ग्रुप का वो लीडर उधर प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहा है।
इसके बदलेगा भाई,
इसके बदलेगा पूरा।
मुझे पता चला है वो
और मार्क्स ये लेके जाएगा।
मुझे पता चला है वो डॉक्टर ऐसी दवाइयाँ देते हैं जिससे सुपर नेचुरल पावर आ जाते हैं।
हाँ, तो इसीलिए तेरे मार्क्स आ जाएंगे सुपर नेचुरल पावर।
एग्जैक्टली। और वही पाने की कोशिश में मैं इधर चला जा रहा हूँ।
हाँ, फाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ इन दी वर्ल्ड। ओह नाइस। देखिए आप देखिए ये सब वेरी स्मार्ट पीपल।
इस पिक्चर में देखा है आपने, वो लोग ट्रेल पे जाते हैं और ऋतिक रोशन ऐसे पहाड़ियों पे चल के जाता है।
ओह या दैट्स योर मोटिवेशन ब्रो। गॉट माय नाइस।
क्रिस फोर्ड की बात आई है मेरे।
जिधर जाओ उधर क्रिएटिव लोग तो है, वो तो मानना होगा।
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को ही देख लो,
इसको ही देख लो।
हाँ देख लो।
क्रिएटिविटी के नाम के जीरो है, कुछ नहीं है, बट बोलता रहता है क्रिएटिव, तो मान लेते हैं
जीरो की वैल्यू मालूम है ना भाई।
हाँ वो पता। बट आई एंजॉयड अ लॉट टू बी ऑनेस्ट। आई रियली एंजॉयड। लाइक आई थिंक आई कैन से दैट this was something which I never like thought of that I'll do, but I did it, and now I'm proud of it. Even though my friends, my family will be a bit of afraid seeing this. Like yesterday night they told me that don't go for it, but I told them that I'll go for it because that's fun. Like it's fun for me. I think that they'll be really scared of that because due to this harsh weather, due to snow, it gets slippery due to black ice, and anything can happen. Like you can, if you slip, then your leg will be broken or anything, but still somehow I managed it. And yeah, that's it guys. There is one update. So the exit of the park is like 3 kilometers away, and what we are deciding is, like there is one way, like we have to trespass the route, but we can go to the bus station, and that's like 5 minutes walk. So what we decided is like we are just tossing a coin. If it's heads, then we'll be taking the bus. If it's tails, then we'll walk. So now let's see what's the result. No. We'll flip it again.
Hey Siri, flip a coin.
It's tails this time.
It's tails, so we have to walk.
For the first time it was.
Yeah, so let's do best of 3. The first was head, second was tails, and the third is.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Flip a coin.
It's heads.
Oh, it's head. Now, so we are taking the bus. We are like, we are so happy. Like, deep down inside, like, I needed this. I wanted to take the bus, but now we are taking the bus.
भाई ऐसा करना है तो मेरे को नहीं खेलना है.
चीटिंग करी हमने, बट स्टिल इट्स फाइन, चलता है. थोड़ी चीटिंग करनी चाहिए. जिस चीटिंग से लोगों का पैर नहीं दुखे, वो चीटिंग चलती है. हाँ, गुड लाइन, थैंक्स.
बे मैं डर से मारो वीडियो उतारे
ब्रो प्लीज टॉक इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी.
Bro, thus recorded a video of me
ओके
and I was singing.
ओके.
You can see how great it was.
Oh damn bro.
See man.
So now you'll post it on Instagram.
I guess so
Okay.
because it is like.
He's just like so self-obsessed, but I have to acknowledge that.
Bro.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. In Hindi we call chapri, but it's fine. Real life and real life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and share with your family members if you like it. Thank you.